Hello. In this video we'll speak about four functions that will be used most of the time in AutoCAD or by AutoCAD users. It's about the commands copy, move, mirror and scale. Especially copy, move and scale will be used most of the time in your work session. So let it start. I already draw a cycle, but I will draw it again. If you remember from the previous videos, we made a cycle. So you'll press C, enter, press the middle, the center point, and I will put 50 millimeters the radius. Okay, now I will make a square. To make a square is the same thing like we made the rectangle, if you remember. If no, please watch again the video with rectangle, polygon and ellipse. So we will write rec ADC, enter or space, depends what you prefer, how it's easier for you to press from the keyboard. I will select the first corner. I want to be here, and I will make almost a square. For example, I put here 100, and here was automatically added 120, if I remember. Good. To use copy, it's simple. We have the command CO for this the shortcut CO for this command. So I selected the object. If you remember, I will select the contour from the right to left. Our cycle is selected, and I want to copy in this square and or over the square. It doesn't matter. Okay. And now I will write from the keyboard CO. As you can see, we have here the copy, space, and I will specify the base point from the cycle. Depends. You can normally it's better to choose a point from the object. Also, if you can choose the middle of the object, it's better. Depends the case. Okay, I select the middle, and as you can see, our cycle it's doubled, and I will copy here in this square, or it's almost rectangle, not a square. Okay, I put it here. As you can see, you can copy again here, but I will stop. I'll stop only at this one. Okay, to finish the function, I will press escape, and now as you can see, we already copied the cycle in another position. So CO, enter, and copy the object that you need. We can make the same thing with the square. We can select it, or also we can select it all these two objects. CO, center, somewhere on the objects, left click, and then move where do you prefer. And for example, I will put it here. Escape, because I don't want to copy again, and we copied the both objects. Okay, with move it's almost the same story. You can we can choose to move, depends. You can choose to move, for example, let's move this cycle move over this cycle. Okay, I will select. For move we have the shortcut M, so we will press M. As you can see here, you can select it with left click of mouse and or to choose to press enter of space. I select it and click somewhere on the object to specify a base, the base point. Okay, and now I will move the cycle. Depends. I will put here, for example. It's not very important. Okay, so I move it. For example, I want to make the same thing with this one. I selected the square, and select the base point, and I will move here in this position or here. Good. So this is the move function, how it's working. Okay, with the mirror, for mirror we have the shortcut MI. All the time when you want to mirror an object, it's very important to have a base line or a base point to mirror it about this object. For example, if I want to mirror on the left this not three, because there are 5 objects. To be easier for you to understand, I will put a line. If you remember to draw a line, we will use L, enter, and I will draw a vertical line here. Good. And now I want to mirror it, this object in this side. For this one I will use the shortcut MI. Also, if you see here, I forgot to tell you, we have the move on the modify area. We have move, copy, but in this video we will speak only about these 4. So with move and copy we already spoke. Let's use mirror. If you want to select also from here, select the objects. As you can see, Autocad tell you to select the object. I will select my object that I want to mirror. Okay, it's very important, after you select the object, it's important to press the enter or space. I press the enter, and as you can see, specify first point of mirror line. So mirror line will be this vertical line that we drew it before, so will be this one. Okay, you will understand immediately. I will click this line, and now as you can see, we have it's very important when you move the mouse in the moment when you make the mirror action. So as you can see, you can mirror it here, but I don't want, and I want to mirror vertically, perfect vertically. As you can see, the help red line. We'll speak about this in the next videos, and we will click left click to put the object. Now as you can see here, if you see, the Autocad will ask you if you want to erase the source object. The source object are these 5 objects. So in our case, I don't want to delete it, so it's selected predefinite, selected with no. Okay, so as you can see, we already mirrored the object. But if you already see, if you want to erase the reference object, I will show you. I will delete that will work what we worked before. So we'll use the MI mirror, enter, select the object, enter, it's very important, and now select the line about to mirror. Okay, enter, and now erase the object. Yes, to move this yes or no, use the arrows from your keyboard, down and up, down and up. Okay, and enter. Good. So I think you understand. We deleted the source objects, and remain only the object that we mirrored. Okay. So this is with the mirror. With the last function, the last shortcut in this video, it's about the scale. In my experience, I use scale, I think, most of the time, because I need to scale it a lot of object. This scale, it's not very difficult to use. It's like copy or move. So I will move this object in the left. You already learned how to move. I selected the object, M. Now specify the base, and I will move here, for example. Good. Because I want to show you how to scale an object. Scale, it's if you want to make means to make the object bigger or smaller, depends the situation, or to be, I don't know, if you have an object with a radius with a radius of 50 millimeters, and you want to be bigger twice, you must to scale it with 2, for example, or 10 times, and or 5 times, depends. For example, if you want, we can do in this in our case, in this moment we will measure. Now we have 100, as you can probably see. Sorry, probably I moved so fast. We have 100 millimeters this side. Okay, I will delete it, and I will scale the object 2 times bigger. To scale, we have the function here in the scale, in this in the modify area. If you choose the scale icon, or also you can write SC, enter, select the object. I selected, enter. Now specify the base point somewhere here, and as you can see here, if you put 0.6, if you put 0. Some, I don't know, some numbers, some size will be smaller. If you put over 0, 1, 2, or I don't know, you have this will be bigger. But I will copy to understand better. Again, CO, copy, I move here, and now I want to I will scale it to be bigger twice. Select it, scale, or depends, SC or scale is the same thing. Select, and I will put 2. And now if we will measure this side, we must have 200, because if you remember, here we have it 100, and here we must have 200 millimeters. So we will measure, and as you can see, we have, as I told you, 200 millimeters. It's simple. Okay, so this is this is how scale it works. It's not so difficult. Probably when you lose first time 10 times, and then it will be easier for you. Okay, so that was with this this video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.